Let's make your own yogurt and save some money. All you need is milk and some already made yogurt and something to heat it in. Here we're using our Instant Pot because it has an yogurt feature. You just push the button once and it heats it up to scalding and then turns off. Then we're going to let everything cool before adding our active live cultures. This could be yogurt you saved or new from the store. It's so easy. Just stir it in and let it sit. Oh, I forgot. Don't forget to cover it or you'll find silly things like fingers and bugs and toy cars in it. Don't ask me how I know. And here's where you set aside a cup for your next batch so you never have to buy yogurt starter again. You'll end up with 4 large containers of plain yogurt. Just wanted to show you this. Sometimes if you overheat the milk, you'll end up with these milk solids on the bottom and it's totally safe, just not ideal. And that's it. It's that simple. Isn't that amazing? You just quadrupled your yogurt budget. Family life is stressful enough without having to worry about how to feed everyone, right? So follow us for how we make a big family work.